Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Threads Instagram. Stick around until the end to learn all the features and tips to make the most out of this app. Threads is a new app from Instagram that allows you to follow users, participate in public conversations, and post updates. Your posts can be up to 500 characters long and can include links, photos, and videos up to 5 minutes in length. Threads is essentially a direct competitor to X. Getting started with Threads is very easy. You just need to have an Instagram account logged into the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. To get the Threads app, go to your Instagram profile page, and below the profile, you will find this option of Edit Profile. Click on it. From here, scroll down and you can see this option of Show Threads badge. So make sure to toggle this on. And now go back to your profile, and now you can see here Thread badges available. Tap on it and it will automatically take you to your Threads account. And the other way you can use Threads is open your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar, search for Threads. The app is available in both iPhone and Android. And after downloading the app, open the Threads app. It will automatically log you into the Instagram account, which you are currently logged into. But if you have multiple accounts, you can click on this switch and you can switch between them. You need to be signed in to the Instagram, as it will use data from there to set your Threads account. You can also choose to have a public or private account. A public account allows anyone to follow you, while a private account requires you to approve follower requests. Once you're set up, you will be taken to the homepage of Threads, and here you can scroll down to refresh the page and see posts from people you follow or suggested posts. You can search for different users by typing their username in the search bar. Now, in order to create your own post, click on Compose button and you can type up to 500 characters. You can add links, you can add photos, and also you can add videos. And then click on this Post button. The Notifications tab shows all your activities, such as when people reply to your post or mention you. And here your profile page will display your post and replies. You can edit your profile and change any imported details. There are also settings for privacy and account management. If you want to change your privacy or any type of account settings, that's all available over here. And if you want to follow someone, then simply open their profile page and you can see this follow button. Click on it. By simply one click, you are following that person. And if you want to unfollow, click on this follow button again. Screen like this will pop up and now click on unfollow. So that's very easy option over here. And if you want to like the post, simply click this like button and you can comment on a post. You can only comment on a post if your account is public. You can repost it. You can also quote someone's post, and you can also share someone's post as well. And if you want to post something, you can click on this add button and you can see this option right over here. This allows you to add photos. So here you have to give permission to Threads to access your photos. And now when you will select a photo, you can simply post it and anyone could reply to this post as well. Now, if you go to your profile, you would be able to see your post, and now anyone can like your post, comment on your post. They can also reshare it or repost this post of yours, and they can also share it. And in the same way, you can post video. This is a text-based messaging app. You can also go ahead and tag people. If you use this @mention sign, you could mention different accounts, and you can also change the setting of anyone could reply, and this could also be changed to people that follow you only can reply, or you can change the setting to people you mentioned could only reply. You can choose one of these options before posting anything. On your profile page, you also have this globe option. So click on it and here you can see you have got privacy options. So you can make your account private. After that, the next thing is mentioned. So by default, anyone could tag you, but you could change this to profile you follow or no one could actually. And your blog profiles will also appear here. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.